Okay, good evening, students. So today we will start the discussions on probability, how to find the probability when there are composite events. Okay. So now let me write it. मधुसूदन देखा होची तो मधुसूदन.
आज्ञा सर देखा जाओ सर.
Okay, so today we'll discuss composite events. Okay. So suppose for example, if you will toss two coins, sample space will be S will be HH, HT, then TH, then TT, right? Suppose A denotes the event of getting a tail in the first coin and B the event of getting a tail in the second. So what is event A is saying? A is getting a tail in the first coin, then B is getting a tail in the second. Okay. So what is happening over here? So let us. So what will be A? Madhusita?
Sir, A is 2.
2, but TH and
TH and HT.
TT.
Sorry sir, हाँ TT.
TT. And B is Chinmay, B is Chinmay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is B?
Sir, B is 2.
2 is what is HT?
Sir, sir,
And
ST and TT.
TT. Okay, thank you. So A and B both are occurring simultaneously means tail occurs both in first and second coin. Okay, that is the event TT. The TT occurs both in the first and second coin, and this is, you can say this is same as the occurrence of A intersection B. Okay. So if A or B occurs, if a tail occurs in the first or in the second, then the event TH, TT, HT. So what it is saying? If A or B occurs and if a tail occurs in the first or in the second, okay, basically A or B occurs and if a tail occurs in the first or in the second, so obviously, so it will be A union B. So what you can remember in this case, if let's say that there are two events are given, we may combine them to form two composite events. So A and B is A intersection B, A or B is equal to A union B. Okay. Now two events E1 and E2 are called mutually exclusive if E1 and E2 cannot occur simultaneously. Okay. Two events E1 and E2 are called mutually exclusive if E1 and E2 cannot occur simultaneously. That is basically E1 intersection E2 is null. Okay. So you can write the theorem. The theorem is basically if E1 and E2 are two events in a finite sample space, then probability of E1 union E2 is equal to probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus probability of E1 intersection E2. And similarly, if E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive, then what will be probability of Sangeeta? If E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive, then probability of E1 union E2 will be yes, Sangeeta.
Yes, sir.
If
If
E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive, in this case they are just two events in the finite sample space. Okay,
uh,
but in this case they are two mutually exclusive events. Then
yes, sir.
what will be the
Probability of E1 plus probability of E2.
okay? Very good. So then it will be probability of E1 plus probability of E2. Okay, very good. So similarly, the probability of if E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive, then the probability of E1 intersection E2 will be
0.
okay. Very good. So probability of E1 intersection E2 will be probability of phi or it will be 0. Okay. So similarly, you can expand also. Okay. Now let us do an example and then we will see. Okay. 1 second. Okay. If two dice are rolled ones. What is the probability what is the probability of getting a total of 5 or 7? Then second is a total of 5 or 3 in the first dice. Okay? Is it clear? The- So let me write it. Already we know that how many sample space or how many elements will be there in this sample space?
36.
Who told this, Sangeeta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 36. Okay, it will be okay. So it will go up to 36, right? Now let us try to understand. A is equal to the event of getting a total of 5, right? A is the event of getting a total of 5. Okay. So what will be the events? Chinmay? One, one, 1, 4,
1, 4,
2,
2,
3,
3,
3,
3, 2, 4, 4, 1.
okay. Is there any more? No, only
No,
this.
sir.
Okay, thank you. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Okay. So similarly, Madhusudana, the event of getting a total of 7 is
Sir, 2, 5,
uh,
5, 2,
1 minute. Yeah?
1. 5, 2, sir.
First one is
2, 5, sir.
you will start with 1, 6.
Sorry,
1,
sir.
1,
Yes, sir. 1, 6, 1, 6.
1, 6. Then
2,
2,
5.
5.
Then 5, 2.
Then
3,
Sorry,
3,
sir.
4.
4.
4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Yes.
Hmm.
3, 4.
Hmm.
Then 4, 3.
Hmm.
Then
5, 2.
Hmm.
5, 2.
Hmm.
Then 6, 1.
Okay. Then
Then, sir, 6, 1 last.
okay. Very good. So then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, what will be the C? C is the event that 3 occurs in the first dice. So this is very clear, right? What is C? C is
3-1.
3-1, 3-2, 3-3, 3-4, 3-5, 3-6. Right?
Sir, 3-1.
3-1, 3-2, 3-1 is here, 3-2,
4.
3-3, 3-4, 3-5, 3-6. This is 3-6. Okay? So you want to add any more, Chinmay? You are saying the same thing or something else?
No, sir.
What you are saying?
Sir, second question is a total of 5 or 3 in the
5
first
or
dice.
3 in the first dice.
Where? In the second question it is saying a total of 5 or 3 in the first dice. Okay? Is it clear? Second question. A total of 5 or 3 in the first dice.
I think the question Emitavagota in the there is a 5 or 3 in the first dice. Total should not be there.
5 means it is understood. They are saying either 5 or 7.
No, in the one question I total should be there. In the second bit, total what should not be there.
Why? Because second it is saying total of 5
Or 3 in the first dice. In the first dice, one number will appear. Then I will say total of this. More than one number, then we'll say total of this.
It is possible now, madam, because
Total of
when
5 in the first
in
dice.
the first case it is saying a total of 5. Okay.
Total of 5
The-
means
Okay.
total of something, many things are occurring, taken together, adding them, we say total.
Okay. Let us try to understand. Suppose if I am saying this, okay, then what will happen? C is basically 3-1, 3-2, up to 3-6. Then A is basically already we know that what is the A is 4, means basically 4 elements are there, right? In A. Then B, 6 elements are there. Then A intersection C is how many elements? 1, na? Isn't it? A intersection C. A is the event of getting a total of 5, right? Or 3 in the first dice. Bhakti madam?
Sir, answer is A intersection C is 1.
Because 3, if you will see A intersection C, so 3, 2 is coming. Where
Yes, sir.
it is there in both A and C.
C.
A and C, right? A and C is A intersection C. Because already we have discussed A and means A intersection, right?
Yes, sir.
So now the question is first question how you will answer.
Yes, sir.
No, not madam, you. Just I am
Okay.
discussing, asking others. So basically A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay. So Madhusmita, what is the answer? A and B are mutually exclusive, right? And the event is A or B, right? So straight away you will write probability of A or B, which is equal to probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus
plus
probability
probability of
of B, isn't it?
yes sir.
Because A and B are mutually exclusive, na? Okay,
Yes sir.
that's the reason. So, what is the answer? Tell me the answer.
10
Huh?
10 sir.
10. How
Sir,
10? What is probability of A? Chinmay?
4/36, sir.
4 by 36. Madhusuda, you got also this?
yes sir, yes sir. Total number of
Then what is
4
probability
by
of B? Probability of B is
6 by 36.
6 by 36. So then, so what will happen?
10 by 36.
N by 36, right?
10 by 36. Yes sir.
So if we will further reduce, then it will be 5 by 18.
18.
Okay, very good. Now similarly, next answer is probability of A or C, right? That is probability of A union C. That is probability of A plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection C. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So what will be the answer?
Sir, answer is 5 by 36.
5 by 36, huh?
Yes.
Are you sure? Chinmay, what is the answer? First of all, whether you have, is there any confusion in this part? Probability of A or C?
Yes, sir. I'm confused.
Why you are confused? Because already we have discussed, na? A or C means A
C,
union C.
sir.
Huh?
Sir, C. What is C, sir?
C is the event that 3 occurs in the first dice. Okay? 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Okay? So basically the probability of A is 4 by 36, which already you know, plus 6 by 36 minus probability of A intersection C, we had calculated earlier, that is 1 by 36. Clear? Is it clear now, Chinmay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madhusuda, is it clear?
Sir, P by probability of C how is 6 by 36.
Because event is, what is the event? Event is the, C is the event. C refers to the event that 3 occurs in the first dice. In the first dice. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now clear.
So it will be 3-1, 3-2, 3-3, 3-4, and
Up to 3-6.
yeah,
5.
3-5 and 3-6. Okay. So in that sense, it is 6/36. Okay. Then C, alt of C. So it will be 1/4, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or is there any doubt? I hope it is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next is let us try to understand. Next is counting principle, counting principle and probability. So basically what we are saying over here, like already we know that from the definition of probability, the calculation of probability depends upon the counting of, so basically your probability is depending upon counting of elementary events, right? Counting of elementary events in the sample space, right? But in many examples what happens, the counting of outcome may be tedious, like that day Bhakti madam was saying, right, that in the exam it will be very difficult, right, to calculate all the event, and then it will take a lot of time. So the counting of outcomes may be very tedious or difficult, very lengthy process, unless you will use some counting methods. So basically compact counting methods. Compact counting methods. Okay. Then what will happen? Because the this method basically it is known as combinatorial methods. What it is called? Combinatorial methods. Is it clear, Madhusida? It is actually permutation plus combination. Permutation plus combination. So this combinatorial methods or permutation or combination plays an important role in plays an important role in computing probability. Is it clear, Madhusida?
Yes, sir.
What I am saying?
Sir, you said it is basically in the present time period, it is difficult to follow up the counting principle. So for that, there is the other method that is known as combinatorial method, and it is the combination of both permutation and combination.
Because see, each time you cannot count, all the individual event, na? Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the whole problem, because that is a very, naive example. Like, each time you will be calculating everything. Suppose, for example, let us try to understand what is this combinatorial method. Suppose coin tossing. Okay. So, in coin tossing, if two coins are tossed simultaneously once, then they can be thought of as first and second, and its sample points are, like for example, already you know that HH, TH, HT and TT, right? Where TH denote the first coin showing T and the second coin showing H, right? So, in this experiment, what is happening? It is equivalent to one coin being tossed twice and the sample space in both the case being the same, right? So, similarly, a single experiment of n coins being thrown simultaneously in the same as the joint experiment of one coin tossed repeatedly n times, and in both the cases the outcomes are recorded as sequence of T and H. So, if a coin is tossed large number of times, say let's say that 10 to the power 10 times, then it is very difficult to know the sample space in tabular form. So in fact, we don't need actually in tabular form, right? So what we need is the cardinality of the sample space. What we need? Cardinality, already which we have defined. What is cardinality of the sample space? Cardinality of the sample space. So please write the theorem. Theorem is, if a coin is tossed n times, if a coin is tossed n times, or equivalently, if n coins are tossed simultaneously once, then the sample space will be, sample space contains 2 to the power n number of elements. So basically, what we say, already as I told you, cardinality of the sample space is the same as the number of weights, right? N place arranged in a row can be filled up by the heads and tails, right? So, is the concept you have understood what it is saying? Madhusudha?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा कौच जे जदि तुम गोटे सिंगल एक्सपेरिमेंट करूछ राइट जे दुईटा कॉइन लेट्स से दैट दुईटा कॉइन तुम नेलो यू आर थ्रोइंग साइमल्टेनियसली सेटा समान हबो टू जॉइंट एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ वन कॉइन टस्ड रिपीटेडली n टाइम्स माने दुईटा को नै के थरे फपाड़िबो किंबा गोटे को दुई थरे फपाड़िबो समान नय कि
Same, sir.
हाँ so से जदि बहुत थर है ताको आमे लिखिबा बहुत डिफिकल्ट so basically we'll write 2 to the power n number of elements. Now let's try to understand. संगीता बुझा पड़ला थ्योरम टा?
Yes, sir.
कहीं आमे सदा बेले लिखिबाटा भारी टफ हो जिवो से कहूँ 10 to the power मान 10 टाइम्स तमे फोपाड़िबो ताले केंद्र हवा it's a very big number, isn't it? So in the exam you don't have the luxury to, right? So now let's try to understand counting principle and the probability and see where we are standing. Let's try to understand. If 15 coins are tossed together, 15 coins are tossed together, what is the probability of getting 7 heads? 7 heads. Now, can you tell me what is the sample space over here? Sirmai?
Sir, 2 to the power 15.
Okay, so there will be 2 to the power 15 elements, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And each element is a sequence of head and tails filling up 15 position in a row. Okay? Head, tail up to 15 position. To get 7 heads, we select 7 position to be filled up by the head and rest by the tails. So in how many ways you can do it? Madhusudha?
15C.
C7. 15 C7 ways, right? Now, what we are asked to calculate the probability of getting 7 heads. So you will write probability of 7 heads is equal to 15 C7 upon 2 to the power 15. Is it clear? Is there any problem? Madhusudha, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, Bhakti madam, you want to add anything over here?
आंसर बस एतिक हम कि 15C7 डिवाइडेड बाय 2/15
केते कहले?
आप तो एटा लिखिछन एटा फाइनल आंसर की
हाँ, एटा फाइनल आंसर 15C7 divided by 2 to the power 15.
probability of getting 7 heads. तो out of 15 coins I get 7 coins. तो सेतरे हेड आसीबो एटा मु कंफर्म हे गली एनी 7 हेड आसीबो. तो रेस्ट जो 8टा रही गला सेतरे जदी कोउतरा करे भी हेड आसी जाए तो टोटल मोर तो 7टा रो अधिक हेड आसी जिवो
आगे
ना सर.
हाँ हाँ सेटा होछि माने आपण जोटा कहउछन्ते आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. तो बेसिकली आमे कोन होचे आमे बेसिकली एठे 7टा हेड आमे दरकार ताले आमे 7टा पोजीशन फिल्ड अप करिवा. आमे भाबुछन्ते मानि नियन्ते एटा गोटे रो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 15 पर्यंत अछि. मानि नियन्ते 15टा पोजीशन अछि नै कि तो हमरा हेड टेल एटा पर लिखा होछि नै कि सीक्वेंस आव 15टा पर्यंत नै 15 कॉइन्स लिखा है 30टा ये हबो. नाउ कथा होछि जे हमको दरकार कैलकुलेट करिया पे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 7 हेड्स, राइट? तो आपण को कहउछन्ते
जदी एग्जैक्टली मते 7 हेड दरकार तो 15टा कॉइन रु देखौ जे मु 7टा कॉइन चूज कर देली 15C7 वे रे जोटी मोर हेड आसीबो. हां त माने अलगा गुडा को मते बाध्य ये नबा पड़िबो टेल नबा को पड़िबो. ईच वे को गोटे वे रे फिल अप कर परबे दैट इज इक्वल टू इनटू 1 1 1 8 टाइम्स. आंसर विल बी दिस मच. यस सर.
ठीक अछि मैडम.
यस सर.
नेक्स्ट टाइम प्रोसीड करिवा.
यस सर.
नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल होचे मानि नियंतु आमे तापर देखिबा गोटे फेमस एग्जांपल होचे ड्राइंग ऑफ कार्ड्स। तो से कहू जे नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल आमे जानि चंती फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो समस्ते मतलब होचे ताश खेली थिबे तो मधुसूदन आमर गोटे आमे आरथर सर्कुलेट करथिले ना कार्ड रे केतुटा थिबो गोटे ड्राइंग करिकी ना पिलां को
हाँ सर ग्रुप रे पठाई
आउ थे पठाओ ग्रुप रे सर्च करिकी।
हाँ सर नेट ग्रुप रे पठाई देबी तो।
हाँ 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 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गोटे आमर कार्ड रे केतटा रोचे 52 टा कार्ड रोचे 52 टा नहीं कि सेथिरो 26 टा रोचे रेड माने जोटा कि डायमंड आ हार्ट सेथरे भी अछि आ 26 टा होची ब्लैक एथरे रोची क्लब हाउस स्पेड बुझला करिचना रे तास संगीता
Yes, sir. Khalichi.
इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
नले तास धरिक आस देखियो हैं 26 टा
Yes, sir.
ब्लैक ब्लैक रहला ब्लैक होची क्लब आ एथरे रहची स्पेड मु जानी ने ओडिया रे कोन ताको कहबा कोन टिकरी फिकरी कोन कोनती नै कि मैडम भक्ति मैडम कहबे मैडम
जे हम जाने नहीं गोटे तो
हैं?
डायमंड बोले हाउसफुल रे
डायमंड के कहबो ओडिया रे डायमंड को कौन कहबा तास रे हीरा 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 कहबा और हार्ट को एती मतलब
पान पतर
पान मत
लोग को गोटे चिड़िया ना को कहते
पान पत्रटा स्पेड पाई
अच्छा
आउ
अच्छा
से जो गुडे चिड़िया अछि जो पान पत्र
लोग
नै
पान चिड़िया आइतबो
हाँ जो पान पत्रटा को पान पत्र कहबे मैम आउ गोल गोल तीनटा हेकी थिबो जे सेटा को चिड़िया कहबे।
चिड़िया और क्लब तक कइट कहउछन
अच्छा ताले हार्ट हार्ट कोटा माने ठिकिरी
नाली हाटटा को हाट कला हाटटा को पान पत्र
हां नाली हाट
दिल कहंती आम साइड रे तो
दिल को
हाँ
अच्छा तो ताले हम जान ले जे ताले एतरा एटा बेसिकली ताले चारिटा स्वीट अछि ताको कहै छै 4 स्वीट्स आर दे मधुसूदन पठेइबो एटा तो बढ़िया डायग्राम हेछि सेतरे बुझिया पे तो 4 स्वीट्स ऑफ 13 कार्ड्स अच्छी 13 कार्ड्स इच आमर जोटा कहती स्पेड हार्ट आउ डायमंड क्लब मत लगुनि कहीं माने यूजीसी एथे एते डिफिकल्ट आस्तो कि कोन मु जानि नि आस्थाई पारे संगीत आस्तु कि
सर बहुत आसुची सर
ड्राइंग ऑफ कार्ड्स आसुची ना आसुथु
आसुची सर
हां हाँ चांस नवा कथा नुह समस्ते प्रैक्टिस करिया कथा से डायग्राम टा पठाइला परे तमे समस्ते प्रैक्टिस करिवो मधुसूदन पठाइला परे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग भी लागिवो एमिते नुह जे बोरिंग।
यस सर
तो आमे जानछन जे ईच स्वीट बेसिकली हैज 4 फेस कार्ड्स वन इज एस किंग क्वीन जैक and other cards of a suite are marked with denomination from 2 to 10 ताले आमे कौन करिवा एठी से कहूँ जे गोटे जिनिस जानी था कार्ड क्षेत्र रे इफ आर माने जेकोसी गोटे नंबर right r cards are drawn at one time from a well shuffled pack of cards ताले r होचे हमरो less than equal to 52 नहीं कि हम जदि 4टा कार्ड बाहर करले कि 13टा कार्ड बाहर करले कि 10टा कार्ड बाहर करले नहीं कि ताले केते वे रे हमें करि परिबा एटा संगीता 52 सी आर वे रे करि परिबा यस और नो
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ताहले हमर सैंपल स्पेस केते हबो 52 सी आर हबो बेगे इवेंट्स हबो देन सेकंड होची हमारा if R cards are drawn one by one, then the number of element in the sample space will be 52p. P R. Because एठी order matter करूची बुझिपाल कि नहीं because in
Yes,
this
sir.
case the order of cards drawn is important. So that is why these two understanding is very important. Where 52 CR, where 52 PR. Let us see if our understanding is clear or not. But if you will enjoy, then it will be very good. But if you will get stuck, then obviously it is very boring. Now, question is, in a random drawing of cards, in a random drawing of cards from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, find the probability of getting an S if one card is drawn. Okay, ये हमर कहबो कोन ता ना स्वप्ना चौधरी एस कहले कौन बुझा जाए ओडिया रे
सर
एस कौन एस एस ई एक्का ना कौन
जो कार्ड रे ए लिखाई थी सर सीटा
एका की
हाँ सर एक्का कहबे सर एक्का
हाँ सेटा तो गोचे then second is an okay thank you Sapna for your input an S or a spade or a spade if one card is drawn see two face cards when two cards are drawn then fourth one is at least one queen at least one queen when three cards are drawn okay हमें क्विकली सॉल्व करिवा फर्स्ट आंसर केता हबो मधुस्मिता 1 by 1 फर्स्ट टाइम कोन बार करचंदी
फर्स्ट आंसर अछि an s of
probability of an s
one card. Yes.
Hmm?
Yes sir.
केता हबो
Sir, 3 by 52.
4/52
4/52 ବୁଝିପାରିଲ କି ନାଇଁ? ଏସ୍ ହଉଛି 4ଟା ପରା।
हाँ हेला हाँ सर बुझिली बुझिली.
There are 4 S's. Okay?
Yes sir. Yes.
ତାହେଲେ କେତେ ହବ? 4/52 1/13. ସେକେଣ୍ଡଟା କୁହ, ସେକେଣ୍ଡଟା ଜଲ୍ଦି ଜଲ୍ଦି କୁହ। ତାହେଲେ କେତେଟା S ଅଛି? S4 ଅଛି ଆଉ ସ୍ପେଡ୍ କେତେଟା ଅଛି? 13.
13.
এটা 4 ଅଛି। ତାର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଆନ୍ସର କେତେ ହବ? ପ୍ରୋବାବିଲିଟି ଅଫ S or ସ୍ପେଡ୍ କେତେ ହବ?
1/52.
କେମିତି?
1/13 sir.
1/13.
1/52.
1/52 ହବ।
ଭକ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଡମ
ये 16/52.
16. ଭକ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଡମ କାର ଭକ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଡମ का आंसर ଆଉ କାର ବି ଠିକ ହେଇନି। ଏଇଟା ହିଁ କରେକ୍ଟ।
Sir ମୁଁ ବି କହୁଛି 16/52 ହିଁ ହବ.
ହଁ ତମେ କହିଲେ ଓକେ ସରି ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିନି। ତାହେଲେ ତମର ବି ଠିକ ହେଇଛି। ଭକ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଡମ 16 କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା?
କାରଣ ଆମେ ପାଇବା 1 ପାଇବା 4ଟା ୱେରେ ହେଇପାରିବ।
ହଁ
इधर से जो डायमंड आसीबो क्लब रो स्पेड रो 4टार कोटा आइले 1 पाइजिबा 4 रे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 1 तार मन करछि साइज ऑफ द इवेंट इज 4 एपटे होछि साइज ऑफ द इवेंट जोटा कि हम कहउछि गोटे कम पाइबा गले स्पेड ना कहचंती 13टा आछि 4 + 13 आउटा आरो गोटे कॉमन एलिमेंट आसीबो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी आसीबो ए के जोटा कि स्पेड आ 1 हेतिबो स्पेड रो ए आसी गला जदी तो এটা म्यूचुअली डिसजॉइंट नुहे तो ए यूनियन बी रो मोड हम ए रो मोड प्लस बी रो मोड माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी रो मोड ए होची 4 बी रो मोड होची 13 माइनस इंटरसेक्शन होची 1 एटा हला टोटल इवेंट रे एति की रहला 16 टा पॉसिबल केस अलाउड डिवाइडेड बाय सैंपल स्पेस तो 52 आओ
संगीता बुझिला?
नहीं
सर
सर.
एस ऑन है स्पेड ଅଛି ବା sir?
And S और S पेड़ ଅଛି. ओ यूनियन भी हबो.
Sir actually देखिला प्लस हବ.
अच्छा मते मते प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एस केते हबो 4/52 हबो
4/52. Yes.
Yes.
देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ए स्पेड केते हबो
स्पेड 13/52
13/52. हाँ.
एबे कोंतु एमति किछ अछि कि जोटा ए जो फर्स्ट 4 जो गोटे मन को मु जो कार्ड पाइली एक्स कार्ड जे कि स्पेड रहितिबो
yes ma'am
फर्स्ट इवेंट
ହଁ
पड़े तो
ଯୋଉଟା ହଁ ଗୋଟେ S
यूनियन
ବି
एटी
ଥିବ ତା ସହିତ
इंटरसेक्शन होची
ସ୍ପେସ୍
1
ବି ହେଇଥିବ ହଁ
तो ते यूनियन जो पाइबा कॉम्बिनेशन ता पाइबा तार प्रोबेबिलिटी केते हबो 1/52
ତାକୁ ସବଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ କରିଦବା ନା
Yes.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
हां ताको
Okay,
सब्ट्रैक्ट कर
okay.
दियंतु
माने एठी 4/52 मैडम
हां सर
4/52 प्लस
प्लस
13/52
13/52
माइनस
minus
1/52
1/52.
माइनस
1/52
1/52 तो आमे जो पढ़ी थिले प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 इंटरसेक्शन E2 नहीं कि मैडम
यस सर
से फार्मूलाटा हेतला बुझि पाला संगीता?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So now Chinmay, is it clear?
yes sir
okay thank you वक्त मैम तो our answer B रहुची 16/52 that is 4/13 next question का जीवा if two cards are drawn there are how many possible outcomes out of which two face cards will occur, right? So two face cards when two cards are drawn, so basically if the two cards are drawn there are 52 C2 possible outcomes, okay, and out of which two face card will occur in 16 C2 cases. So probability of two face card will be 16 C2 divided by T2C2. Okay, that is 20 by 22 factorial. So if you have not understood this one, see, I think you have to think. Then we'll go to next question. At least one coin when 3 cards are drawn. So basically,
Sir,
yeah,
I have a doubt. Sir, face card, how many face cards? 16 face cards are there, sir?
yes.
Okay. It means जो J, K and Q वाला जो face card.
A, Q and A.
Q and A. Okay. Okay.
आपका डाउट रहे कि सी संगीता
नो सर क्लियर सर
ओके हम टिके जल्दी वाइंड अप करवा डीटा होची कोन एटलीस्ट वन क्वीन व्हेन 3 कार्ड्स आर ड्रॉन राइट सो 3 कार्ड्स कैन बी ड्रॉन इन हाउ मेनी वेज 16 C3 वेज नहीं डीटा हमें अबे सॉल्व करवा 16 C3 ways and the number of ways in which 3 cards can be drawn without a queen is Bhakti madam
मन टिके ये क्वेश्चन टा देख पालेनी ते पढी देबे की क्वेश्चन टा
हाँ क्वेश्चन टा पढ़ंतु मैडम
कोन लिखा है एटलीस्ट वन क्वीन
when 3 cards are drawn
तीन तार एटलीस्ट वन क्वीन जदी कहूची
at least one queen when 3 cards are drawn
तो बिल्कुल क्वीन जदी पाइबेनी वन माइनस बिल्कुल क्वीन पाइबेनी
हाँ फर्स्ट पूरा कहूची 3 cards can be drawn फर्स्ट हमें 3टा कार्ड केमिति केते वे रे हमें ड्रॉ कर परिबा 16 C3 रे वेज रे
काहे 16 काहे से तो 52 कार्ड अछि ना
T2C3 रे
नहीं नहीं मैडम से कहूची at least one queen when 3 cards are drawn
ओके
बुझिबा
फेस कार्ड तो सर 16 अछि ना सेति पे
फेस कार्ड सल्ला फेस कार्ड नहीं मैडम ने डी टा में गले नहीं बे डी रे चलची
से कहूची एटलीस्ट वन क्वीन व्हेन 3 कार्ड्स आर ड्रॉन तो सैंपल स्पेस रो एलिमेंट ऑफ 52 C3 सैंपल स्पेस से
हाँ 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 सैंपल स्पेस 52 C3 हबो मु किंतु कहूची जे फर्स्ट आमे देखिबा जे जस्ट आमे टू स्टार्ट विथ आमे कहबा जे 3 कार्ड्स केते वे रे कहि परिबो ड्रॉन केते हुए रे ही परिबो
एमती कोंतु हम टोटल 52 रे क्वीन हमरो 4टा रहउची तो क्वीन को माइनस कर देला पर हमरो 48 कार्ड रहिला
हां डायरेक्ट अपन डायरेक्ट कहता
ड्रॉ करबा
आगे आगे
क्वीन पाइबेनी
आगे आगे
तो जदी एटलीस्ट वन क्वीन दरकार वन माइनस बिल्कुल क्वीन पाइबेनी
हां हां हां
तो 1 माइनस 48 C3 डिवाइडेड बाय 52 C3
हां ये अपन पूरा डायरेक्ट आंसर कह देले
ओ सॉरी 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 एक्सप्लेन कर
ना ना ना
आपको जो कहिथिले ए जो डैश रो ए गोटे कॉम्प्लीमेंट गोटे इवेंट रची तार कॉम्प्लीमेंट इवेंट को ऐड करले 1 ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी से फार्मूला टा को यूज करले
यस तो अन्य माने बुझी पार लगे जो भक्ति माने कहले
यस सर
Sir, I am getting the formula 1 minus the prime factor जोटा हमें माइनस करथिले सेटा बट मोसे जो
बेसिकली मैडम जोटा कहउचंते हम मैडम डायरेक्ट माने वन स्टेप अहेड अछंती हमें 48 C3 आ 52 C3 नहीं मैडम तापरे
यस सर
तापरे एटलीस्ट वन क्वीन हमें बाहर करबा ए जो 1 माइनस एथि कर दो नहीं कि 48 C3
48 C3 divided by 52 C3 ये होबो कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट रो प्रोबेबिलिटी
हां
नीडेड सेट रो प्रोबेबिलिटी होबो 1 माइनस कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट रो प्रोबेबिलिटी आउ
हां एतिकी हबो
यस सर
बुझि पारलो मत सीधा ना बुझि पारलो
टू क्वीन थांता
आज्ञा
Yes, sir.
एटलीस्ट टू क्वीन जदी थांता ताले सेम फार्मूला ही थांता
एटलीस्ट 2 क्वीन
टू क्वीन जदी थांता
नहीं भक्ति मैडम
अरे हेलो हां सर
संगीता गोटे भल क्वेश्चन पचारला जदि एटलीस्ट दुईटा क्वीन ही थांता
तो एटी हमको 1 करबा दकाने सीधा जिबा एटलीस्ट 2 क्वीन कहले दीटा क्वीन पाउतिबा और 3टा क्वीन पाउथबा और 4टा क्वीन पाउथबा एमिति बाहर कर परिबा नहले नहले जदि 1 माइनस करिया को जिबा हमको आगो देखिया बिल्कुल क्वीन पाउ नांती और गोटे क्वीन पाउतंती ये होबो मोर कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट तो बिल्कुल क्वीन पाइबानी हमें पाई गले आ गोटे क्वीन पाइबा माने मो पाखर टोटल ये अछि केतेडा गोटे क्वीन दरकार केटा देखिया पड़े गोटे क्वीन पाई टोटल अछि मो पाखरे 52 ए गोटे क्वीन पाई मते टिके साथ टाइम लागबो मते भाबिया पड़बो गोटे क्वीन पाई
Okay,
केमते आनी
संगीता सेटा भाबिबा है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But it is a good question. We'll think about it.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll give you some more practice. Okay, 11A. I will cross check the answer today only. So I'll post another exercise, that is 11B today. Okay, so that is a weekend gift.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let us quickly do one question. I think June 2025. I think this is a very easy question. Which from Bhakti Madam, which is saying at least one is 1 minus probability of none. Isn't it, Bhakti Madam? आपने एटा कहउछन ना? At least one. Is the screen visible? Sangeeta?
Yes, sir.
Question number 7 is visible or not?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
A candidate is selected for interview for 3 posts. For the first post, there are 3 candidates. For the second, 4 candidates, and for the third, 2 candidates. What is the probability that the candidate is selected for at least one post? What will be the answer? Rusinda?
sir mo question बुझी पारली
बुझी पारनो के? Okay, I'll send you the question. You read it and tell me tomorrow what will be the answer. Okay?
yes sir
Tomorrow we'll discuss. So I'll stop over here. Bhakti Madam, tomorrow start the assignment which you have solved. We'll go one by one. The answer. Hello? Bhakti Madam, are you there? Hello?
हाँ सर
मैडम आमे काली डिस्कशन करिवा